Alright, we're still in quarantine and we've fired up the forge. It's been a couple months.
Which way? This way. Hello, YouTube.
Oh, that looks pretty hot.
Oh. Rocket, don't move.
So he's making a knife out of an old
I
file.
saw sparks.
High carbon steel file that Uncle David gave us. And he's forming a knife out of it. He's going to make a long chopper blade. That is pretty high carbon steel. It's still sparking even though we tempered it.
It looks cold, but it's still hot.
It's still very hot.
Oh my God, there's a fogging up.
Fogged up goggles. There's our little mini forge. Suitable for any 10-year-old. Parents,
Don't heat it up though.
if you got a 10-year-old kid, buy him a forge. Why not? All you need is a forge, an anvil, some hammers, a stump,
And a tong. Those are also
and some
important.
tongs.
And a whole bucket of steel. Yeah.
So this is how we're surviving quarantine, folks. Hope everybody's doing well. And eventually we'll get...
It's been a long time since we posted a video.
Yeah? Oh yeah, that's starting to heat up nicely. So yep, keep healthy, keep mentally healthy, keep your kids active, do
Don't
stuff
go
outside. Do stuff outside and have fun. How long do you think that knife is going to take you?
Probably about another month.
Yeah?
If it'll probably be done, like the blade, until I move on the grinding, and the grinding takes forever.
Yeah, you got a lot of grinder work. But, you know, you've been shaping it really nicely with the hammer. Ooh, it's red hot. Before we end this video, let's pull it out. Let's see you get a few more pounds on it.
Okay.
Oh, clear your anvil. Get it ready.
I pick up the hammer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. All right. You're right. I'm wrong. Oh, you're going to use the big boss, huh?
The gate shakes when I hit it.
Yeah, you're hitting it really hard.
Probably a warp.
Oh, you're fine. All right, back in the furnace it goes. Oh, little final touches.
It's like playing.
That's looking really good, man. You're really getting some progress there.
We're gonna watch out. Dance!
All right. Take care, everybody.